Hello everyone and welcome to this FlippedNormals exclusive. My name is Emiel Sliegers, I am a senior 3D environment artist and I will be your instructor in this course. This tutorial course will be all about SpeedTree and Foliage. We often see a lot of people struggling to make foliage for games, and this is understandable. Foliage is a large and sometimes very complicated topic within 3D art. This is why there are entire professions dedicated to just creating foliage. What we wanted to do in this tutorial is give you some handy techniques on how to create different types of foliage using SpeedTree, Maya and Unreal Engine 4. This tutorial course will only focus on the creation of the actual foliage models. For the leaf textures, we will be using external resources like Megascans and textures.com. We will first go over on how to create ivy and wall plants. This will right away also be one of our most difficult foliage types in this tutorial course. We will be using a combination of SpeedTree, Unreal Engine 4, Maya and Marmoset Toolbag for this. The reason we need this many programs is because the mesh that will be outputted from SpeedTree will still be too high poly to be a game asset. This is why with the help of Maya and Marmoset we will be breaking down part of our mesh, do some general cleanup and create multiple game ready ivy plant variations. After we have done that, we will place them in our level and then we will focus on our water plants. These will come in two different parts. The first part will be in Maya, where we will be creating water lilies and floating hearts with flowers in between them. The second part will happen in SpeedTree, where we will be creating multiple variations of water grass and other grass-like plants. After we have created our assets, we will have a quick time-lapse chapter where I will show you how to place them in our level. Then we will do some polishing and generally make our level look nice and presentable. This course comes with all the source files including the entire Unreal Engine 4 scene. Because we are using some Megascans assets, there will need to be some setup done before you can actually open up your level. But do not worry, there will be a dedicated chapter showing you what setup you need to do and where you can find all the resources and reference. So, we hope that you will enjoy this tutorial course. Once again, my name is Emiel Sliegers and thanks for watching this FlippedNormals exclusive.